Hello to all. In this video, I will tell you how to log in on Microsoft Teams for the first time and how to set up the new password. So this is my Google page, that is Chrome page. On this, in the web browser, I will paste the URL of Microsoft Teams, which has been already shared in the groups also, and you will land up to this page which is asking you sign up for free or sign in. Here I will hit the sign in button. The moment I'll hit sign in button, it will take me to the sign up page, and the sign up page will appear like this. It is asking you to enter the user ID which has already been shared by the name of students ID, and I will enter the user ID mehswin27@davrkpuram.on microsoft.com. So this is my user ID which I have written. Now I will hit the next button. Now it is asking you to enter the password. We will enter, first of all, when we are entering the password, the first password which you will enter is already been shared with you in alphanumeric code. So you will enter that ID and password. So I have entered the password. Now I will sign in. Now it is signing in with that ID and password. Now this page will land up which is asking you to update your password. What is the meaning of update your password? Means right now the school has provided you, or we have provided you, the ID and password, and it is not mandatory that you have to use that ID and password. You can generate your new ID and password also. So first of all, it is asking you three options: the current ID and password. In this column you will fill the current ID and password which has been shared with you, the same ID which you have, the password, the same password which you have entered in the previous page. So you will use that ID only. So I have entered that password. Now I will create a new password. Make sure whatever password you are entering, it should be alphanumeric, and make sure that you will remember this password also, or keep it handy, write it in the diary so that you will not forget it. Right now I am typing my ID, new password. It is asking you to confirm the password. That means you will repeat the password which you are entering. I have done that. Now you will sign in. So this is how you will sign in. It is asking stay sign in. That means the moment you will click again on this page, it will automatically sign in. If you want yes, then you will hit yes, or no, it is up to you. So this is how your procedure of Teams will end. Now you will land up to the Microsoft Teams page by creating your new ID and password. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much. I'll wait for a moment more so that that page will open. Now you will land up to this page. That means it is asking you where to do the download. So right now I'm doing it in the download option only. Save it. Once you will done with your loading and installing the file, this page will appear of Microsoft Teams. That means you have successfully downloaded the Microsoft Teams and login successfully also. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you so much.